Hello, and welcome to Dr. Vaughn's Voice. I love new things. Doesn't everyone? Have you ever seen our new playground? It's a great new world. When you get a chance, check out our new website that you'll soon see. This new website will help us post new information quickly. And most importantly, we begin our new school year tomorrow. We're riding the wave of a new year with new procedures in place. Have you ever stood in the shore of the beach as the tide comes in and watch it come in and out and feel the water splash against your ankles? That feels so good. You will soon realize as you're standing there that under your feet the sand is being pulled away. After a few waves have arrived, you have to adjust or you're going to fall. In an era of ever-evolving information, schools are doing everything we can to keep everyone safe. We're always reviewing new information to determine the next best step. We will be adjusting as the tide continues to ebb and flow. Some families have determined to keep their students at home doing remote learning. Great decision. Some have determined to send their children to school. Great decision. There are some things that we must just allow to run their course, so to speak. The worst thing we can do is panic during a pandemic. That word pandemic reminds me of a 2-year-old speaking to their mom when others are going crazy. This is what a 2-year-old would say. Them in the midst of panic. I wonder if that word is exactly how it came to existence. Okay, just go think about it for a minute. So many things are outside our control. Schools are preparing to respond when an incident occurs. District, campus level administrators have had discussions about how to address whatever comes up. You know, there's simply no way to predict all the what-ifs. Solutions will be handled following one simple guiding principle. Is it best for kids? So when decisions are made, your administrators have considered, is this decision what is best for our kids right now? There's a bumper sticker that I remember seeing for a long time. Stuff happens. Okay, they use a different word. I'm not going to use that word. It's true. It's called life. And along the way, we're forced to choose the path that we will take. It's easy to blame someone else for what happens to us. But you know, blame never solves the problem of what we're going to do now. John F. Kennedy, in one of his great speeches, said, "Ask not what your country can do for you, but ask what you can do for your country." So what can you do for your country? Okay, your school community. Parents, please do not hide illnesses and hope your child will make it through the day by giving them fever-reducing medications. If they're sick, keep them home. Notify your school. Please help us keep everyone safe. All students that are not feeling well can be considered in attendance by working remotely that day. If the symptoms continue, seek medical attention and keep your school informed. Here's some things you can do to help our community of learners while on campus. Check your child's temperature every day before they depart for school. Don't bring your child to school if they're sick. Teach your child how to use hand sanitizer and why it's important. Every morning checklist would include something like this. Temperature check. Below 100 degrees Fahrenheit, check. Mask, check. Lunch, check. Water bottle filled, labeled, and ready to go, check. Remember, as we start school, we'll be staggering the start for those choosing on-campus learning. August 12th, tomorrow through the 14th, only the littles, I've been told, are called, from pre-K through second. 3rd through 12th, remote learning. Remember, you must log in every day. Beginning on the following week, on the 17th to the 21st, our pre-K through 8th. Our 9th through 12th will still be remote learning. Remember, log in each day. Then on the 24th, that Monday, all on-campus learners are on campus. Remote learners, you continue learning remotely. That's really not that hard. We're so excited to be around kids again. If you get stuck with all this new way of educating kids, take a breath. Go to our webpage, call one of our staff members for help. We're here to help and try to make this go much easier. So I'm going to ask you to do this. I want you to follow the words of my grandmother. She used to would tell us, that ain't no hill for a stepper. Now I know you grammarians out there don't fix the sentence. That's the way they said it. There ain't no hill for a stepper. PCA Timber will not succumb to the hurdle of COVID-19 and its complications. We'll find a way to make our way over it, around it, or through it. We won't quit. This is Dr. Vaughn's voice. Mask up. Have a great day.